As part of the National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber-Physical Systems, IIIT Hyderabad has established a technology innovation hub in the area of data-driven technologies, which is iHub Data. The hub aims to carry out cutting-edge research in healthcare, mobility, and India-specific research initiatives to deliver impactful technologies and solutions. The main mandate of the hub is lab to land, and hence we will undertake activities starting from technology development, applied research, translation, and all the way up to innovations and entrepreneurships.
So one of our focus areas is mobility. We want to see how technology can help in improving the safety and efficiency in the space of mobility. For example, on Indian roads, we are looking into how technology can help in reducing the fatalities, improve the efficiency and safety for the pedestrians.
The Vision for Mobility and Safety team at CVIT is working on perception problems for autonomous driving. Some of the challenges that we're trying to address include developing data-efficient models that can learn new objects with minimal supervision, as well as learning models that can generalize well across different geographic environments, weather conditions, and times of the day.
Another challenge in autonomous setting is adverse weather conditions, such as rain and fog that can degrade the performance of computer vision algorithms that are critical to autonomous systems. Our goal is to develop vision algorithms that can adapt to different weather conditions so that autonomous systems can safely maneuver in adverse weather conditions.
The emergence of AI over the last decade has opened up new opportunities. For this to work in practice, AI needs data in large quantity and high quality in several domains of national importance. The mandate of the Data Foundation is to address this, and so it plays a pivotal role in the future of the data economy. The domains of focus include mobility, healthcare, buildings, systems, and India-specific datasets. The mandate of the Data Foundation is to build, publish, and serve datasets for data-driven research for decision-making. It will have the required infrastructure and build the required tools and platforms to enable this. By definition, this is largely interdisciplinary and needs collaboration across domain experts and computer scientists. It carries with it all the challenges and opportunities of interdisciplinary research. Here, requirements emerge over time rather than being defined crisply upfront. We aim to build and host 20 high-impact datasets over the next 5 years, including as many smaller datasets as feasible. It carries with it all the challenges and opportunities of interdisciplinary research, where requirements emerge over time rather than being crisply defined upfront. We aim to build and host 20 high-impact datasets over the next 5 years, including as many smaller datasets as feasible.
Technology Innovation Hub, healthcare is one major focus area. In healthcare, we are looking at cancer-related solutions, public health, neurology, neurodegenerative disorders, brain disorders, mental health is one sub-area. And the final area is drug discovery and design related solutions. In all of this, our focus is to bring AI and ML-based technology solutions for bringing well-being and health at population scale.
As we all know, coronavirus has emerged as a pandemic, and we all have been eagerly waiting for the most effective antiviral treatment. One of the main factors that impacts this effectiveness is the evolution of virus caused by the rapid mutations. My aim is to build a model nuke that is capable enough to generate the sequences of the next generation of the coronavirus with the newly emerging mutations, and also to predict the host of the viruses that belong to Coronaviridae family.
Deep learning-based techniques have shown to be beneficial for automating the task of diagnosis of histopathology images. At HIVE, we have two projects working on the diagnosis of histopathology images: classification of brain tumor into its subtypes, astrocytoma and oligodendroglioma, detection and classification of glomeruli from kidney into various stages of lupus nephritis. The main challenges of working on histopathology images is due to its huge size. Training a CNN on such a large image is computationally impossible, and by resizing it to a smaller size, we lose the fine-level tissue features. In order to capture these features, we divide the image into patches of smaller size and predict the image level label based on the patch-based predictions.
The proposed model can generate molecules having desired values of properties such as MOCP, TPSA, QED, and SAS, while also maintaining very high validity, uniqueness, and novelty. The proposed model can also generate molecules having an underlying scaffold structure when the scaffold is given.